You did it. You scored a $15 flight on Ryanair, EasyJet, or Spirit, and you feel like an absolute genius. But the moment you reach the boarding gate, the trap closes. The airline hits you with a $75 penalty because your backpack is 1 inch too big for their metal sizer. Suddenly, your ultra-cheap weekend getaway costs more than a premium ticket on a regular airline. Budget airlines aren't in the business of selling tickets anymore. They are in the business of selling baggage fees. It is their biggest moneymaker. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how to beat their system. Pack a week's worth of clothes into a single free personal item and never pay a baggage fee again. If you want to stop getting scammed by budget airlines and master the art of traveling light, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's dive into the ultimate personal item cheat codes for 2026. To beat the game, you need to master the rules. A personal item is not a carry-on. A carry-on goes in the overhead bin and costs you money. A personal item must fit entirely under the seat in front of you. For most budget airlines globally, the magical dimensions are 45 by 35 by 20 centimeters. If your bag fits inside that terrifying metal cage at the gate, it flies for free. Hack number 1. Never, ever use a hard-shell mini roller as a personal item. Why? Because hard plastic doesn't squish. If a wheel, a handle, or a hinge sticks out by even half an inch, the gate agent will flag you, and you are paying the $75 penalty. You need a soft-shell, frameless travel backpack. When a soft backpack is slightly overstuffed, you can literally squish it and force it into the metal cage. The gate agents don't care how hard you have to push it in. If it goes in, you win. Flexibility is your ultimate weapon. Now, let's talk about the invisible enemy, weight. Budget airlines often restrict your free personal item to just 8 or 10 kilograms. If you're packing a laptop, a heavy power bank, a camera, and shoes, you will hit that limit before you even pack your clothes. This brings us to the wearable luggage hack. Airlines have the right to weigh your backpack, but they legally cannot weigh you or the clothes on your body. If you are flying, always wear a jacket with massive, deep pockets. Before you step up to the gate, take your heaviest, smallest items, like your 20,000 milliamp power bank, your laptop charger, hard drives, and maybe even a rolled up pair of jeans, and stuff them into your pockets. You can easily remove 2 to 3 kilograms of dead weight from your bag in 60 seconds. Once you scan your boarding pass and walk down the jet bridge, simply take them out and put them back in your bag. It is completely legal and completely free. If you've spent any time scrolling on Shorts or TikTok, you've probably seen this next trick, and I am here to confirm that in 2026, it still works flawlessly. Budget airlines will charge you for luggage, but they explicitly allow comfort items for free. A travel neck pillow is officially classified as a comfort item, not luggage. Take an ordinary travel neck pillow, unzip it, and rip out the bulky memory foam. Toss it. Now, take 3 days worth of t-shirts, underwear, and socks, roll them up tightly, and stuff them into the empty pillow cover. Not only do you free up a massive amount of premium space inside your personal item backpack, but you've just created a completely free piece of extra luggage. You carry it right onto the plane around your neck, and the gate agents won't even blink. It is the ultimate Trojan horse for clothing. But what happens if your personal item backpack is full, your jacket pockets are full, your neck pillow is stuffed, and you still bought souvenirs or have an extra sweater you need to bring home? Enter the duty-free loophole. This is a masterclass in exploiting airport rules. Budget airlines are strict, but they have binding contracts with the airports they operate in. One of the universal, unbreakable rules of commercial aviation is that passengers are always allowed to bring one airport duty-free shopping bag onto the plane for free, entirely separate from their personal item limit. The strategy? Go to a duty-free shop, buy the cheapest item you can find, like a $2 bottle of water or a tiny pack of mints, and ask the cashier for their largest plastic shopping bag. Walk away and drop your extra bulky jacket, your souvenirs, or your crossbody purse right into that duty-free bag. When you walk past the gate agent, they just see standard airport merchandise. It flies completely under the radar. Our final hack isn't about packing, it's about human psychology. Boarding a budget flight is chaos. Everyone rushes to the gate the second it opens, terrified there won't be overhead bin space. But remember, you only have a personal item. It goes under your seat, meaning your space is 100% guaranteed. There is zero reason to stand in that stressful line. Wait until the very end. Be the absolute last person to board the plane. By the time the final 5 passengers are walking up, the gate agents are stressed. They are under strict time pressure to close the doors so the flight can take off on time, and they want to go home. The last thing they care about in those final 60 seconds is sizing your backpack. If you walk up confidently with your boarding pass ready at the very end, 99 times out of 100, they will just scan it and wave you through to avoid delaying the flight. You use their schedule against them. The absolute key to surviving budget airlines is preparation. They set traps, but now you know how to walk right past them. Pack smart, dress heavy, and use the airport rules to your advantage. Now, I want to hear from you. Budget airlines are famous for dreaming up crazy charges. What is the most ridiculous or sneaky extra fee an airline has ever tried to charge you at the airport? Tell me the full story down in the comments. I'm reading and replying to every single one. Thanks for watching Jet Journeys, and I'll see you in the next video.